As a China inner tube manufacturer, Fuchun Tyre relies on more than 30 years of industry experience, integrating automation technology and precision craftsmanship, and is committed to providing high-quality products and services to customers in the industrial, agricultural, and transportation fields. In the factory production line, automation machines and skilled worker in harmony. From material processing to tube formation, every step is precisely controlled, ensuring the consistency and durability our customers rely on. Our automated packaging lines make large-scale production efficient and accurate. Each inner tube is securely packed and clearly labeled, ready for global shipment. Quality is never an afterthought. Each inner tube undergoes air tightness and pressure tests before packaging. This ensures every unit meets durability and safety expectations, ready for long-term use in various environments. We offer multiple packaging options, including carton boxes and woven bags, to meet wholesale and retail needs. Each package is clearly labeled for easy storage, handling, and shipment. Our efficient logistics system ensures every order, large or small, is securely packed and promptly shipped to over 130 countries worldwide. From our factory to your market, Fuchun Tyre, a trustworthy inner tube manufacturer and supplier. Contact us for more information on inner tube products.